Hi everyone, I'm Erin Nicole and welcome to the L'Oreal Paris channel. Today I'm going to show you all of the incredible benefits of adding a clarifying shampoo to your hair care routine using all L'Oreal Paris products. Let's get started. This is the L'Oreal Paris Everpure Sulfate-Free Clarifying Shampoo and Everpure Sulfate-Free Restore Conditioner. Let's start with the basics. What is a clarifying shampoo and what makes it different from a standard formula? A clarifying shampoo is an even more intense formula. It's designed to remove oil, impurities, dirt, debris, product buildup from the hair to give your hair a fresh start. So it's really designed to be used every once in a while. You're most likely not using a clarifying shampoo every single time you wash your hair. I love incorporating a clarifying shampoo once a month, maybe every other month. Could be as often as every other wash, depending on how I'm styling my hair. Right now, I have a pretty normal scalp. If you have really thin, fine, oily hair, you might want to incorporate a clarifying shampoo a little bit more often. And I think we all have those days, weeks, months where we're doing a lot of slick back buns, high ponytails, when you're applying all of the sprays, the goops, the gels. Anytime you're using a lot of products on your hair, over time, it starts to build up on the hair shaft. Even though you're shampooing as normal, you're probably not removing all of that dirt and debris, all of that product from your hair. So it's great to go in with a clarifying shampoo to give you that fresh start. If your hair is often exposed to the outdoor elements and pollution, if you like to work out or go to the gym, you're always sweating, your hair is constantly in a messy bun or a clip, even when you're about to have a professional in-salon treatment, maybe you're getting your color retouched or a toner redone, a couple days before your appointment, that is a great time to go in with a clarifying shampoo. That way it removes all of the debris from your hair and you get better benefits from the treatment. Now, I already know that you've never dealt with dandruff. I've never dealt with dandruff either, never. Never ever have I ever experienced any dandruff. But let's just say hypothetically someone might be dealing with an itchy scalp, maybe they're experiencing some flakes on their shoulders. That person would definitely benefit from incorporating a clarifying shampoo, just saying. Now this is my pro tip for getting the most out of your clarifying shampoo. I always like to double cleanse in the shower. Every time I wash my hair, I double cleanse. What does that mean? Same thing I do with my face. I'm going to scrubby, get a nice lather worked up, thoroughly rinse, and repeat. Scrubby, get a really nice lather. That second lather is always so much more satisfying because you can tell you're really cleaning the scalp. And then you want to rinse, go in with your conditioner, your deep conditioning mask, whatever it is you're going to follow up with. Making sure your scalp is squeaky clean is the key. And I promise, even though it's clarifying, even though it's intense, it is not going to strip your hair. In fact, the opposite is true. My color is more vibrant, it's less dull, it's shinier, I have more bounce, more volume whenever I go in with my clarifying shampoo. Another important factor that not a lot of people really consider when choosing the best shampoo is geography, where they live. As a Floridian, we have incredibly hard water here. There's a lot of mineral content. You can tell the mineral content of your water is high if you see little specks all over the shower or tub, and it leaves deposits on your hair and your skin. Let's say you're a swimmer and your hair is constantly exposed to chlorine and different chemicals from spending time in a lot of different pools. Once again, you will see incredible benefits from using a clarifying shampoo. Even after a single wash, the before and after difference is incredible. I'm gonna walk you through my entire wash day routine. Now this is going to sound obvious, but you wanna make sure your hair is fully saturated with water before you go in with shampoo. The L'Oreal Paris Everpure Sulfate-Free Clarifying Shampoo is a vegan formula with antioxidants, vitamin C, and glucine. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and dye-free. You can see the texture of the shampoo is very lightweight and the smell is incredible. I'm really going to work this into the hair, gently massaging the scalp. I'm going to leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. You know you're doing it right when you build up that rich, silky lather. Then it's time for my first rinse before I go back in for my double cleanse. This time around, I'm really concentrating on the scalp, especially if I went in with a lot of hair product. You really want to scrubby the entire hairline, back behind the ears, down along the neck area. Since I only wash my hair twice a week, I get a lot of makeup built up in my hairline, so I want to make sure that all of that is gone. Then it's time to rinse for the second time. Hair is squeaky clean, but hydration is locked in. And then I'm going to follow with the L'Oreal Paris Everpure Restore Conditioner. This formula is perfect for me since it's for hard water exposure. It has vitamin C and glycine, and it's safe for color-treated hair. Once fully styled, the end result feels incredible. My hair feels so light and bouncy, it's so much shinier, it has volume, it smells amazing, and this style is going to last me so much longer than if I had used a traditional shampoo. This just might be the easiest way to refresh your style, give your hair care routine a boost, increase your shine and volume. And that completes today's video. If you want to learn more about these products and find out where to buy, head to l'orealparisusa.com, links down below.